What's the rudest thing someone's ever said about your dancing?
Probably, I didn't know white guys could dance. Just because you can choreograph doesn't mean you can teach. Teaching requires a completely different skill set than being a choreographer. So all the roles I play as a choreographer, as a teacher, as a director, a husband, a student, I do it with intention. Why would you place your arm here instead of there? What part of the music are you showing? How do you choreograph? How do you develop your own style? So we're going to dive into all of those things, as well as technical aspects of dance, including musicality, grooves, timing, textures, and being freaking awesome. I am Scott Forsyth, and this is my field of vision. Available only on Steezy Studio.